In a world where people are constantly searching for natural ways to improve their health and well-being, herbal wellness has taken center stage. Whether it's a soothing cup of chamomile tea before bed or a revitalizing turmeric supplement added to your morning routine, herbs have woven their way back into modern life after centuries of traditional use. But with so many products and claims out there, what do you really need to know about herbal wellness? In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the origins of herbal medicine, its benefits, the science behind popular herbs, safety considerations, and simple ways you can get started on your own path to herbal wellness. Herbal wellness, at its core, is the practice of using plants, roots, flowers, and extracts to support the body and mind. This isn't a new trend. Humans have relied on the healing properties of plants for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, from Egypt and China to India and the Americas, cataloged plant remedies for nearly every ailment. In fact, many of our modern medicines originated from compounds first discovered in plants. Today, millions of people use herbal remedies as part of their health routines. The appeal is clear. Herbs are natural, often affordable, and come with a long tradition of use. But is herbal wellness right for you? And which herbs are worth your time? Let's start with the basics. What exactly counts as an herb? In the context of wellness, an herb refers to any plant or plant part, like leaves, roots, bark, or seeds, that's believed to have therapeutic properties. Herbs can be used in a variety of forms: fresh, dried, as teas, tinctures, capsules, or topical balms and oils. Before jumping into specific herbs, it's important to remember that natural doesn't always mean safe or effective. While many herbs are gentle and well tolerated, others can cause side effects or interact with medications. That makes it essential to do your research and speak to a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal supplement. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the most popular herbs and the science behind them. First, there's chamomile. Often enjoyed as a calming tea, chamomile is prized for its ability to promote relaxation, ease anxiety, and support restful sleep. A number of studies support these claims, suggesting that chamomile can help reduce the symptoms of mild insomnia and soothe an upset stomach. Next, echinacea, which became a household name during cold and flu season. Traditionally used by Native Americans, echinacea is believed to stimulate the immune system and might reduce the duration or severity of common colds. While research has produced mixed results, many people swear by it as part of their immune support routine. Turmeric is another superstar in the world of herbal wellness. Its main active ingredient, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Incorporating turmeric into your diet, say through golden milk or as a spice in curries, might help you fight inflammation, support joint health, and even boost brain function, according to some emerging studies. Let's not forget about peppermint, especially when it comes to digestive health. Peppermint oil is widely used for relief from irritable bowel syndrome symptoms and general digestive discomfort. It works by relaxing the muscles in your gut, making it easier for things to move along smoothly. Finally, ginseng, an herb rooted deeply in Asian medicine, is renowned for its ability to boost energy, sharpen mental focus, and help your body adapt to stress. Some research indicates it may even support immune function and help balance blood sugar levels. There are many other popular herbs with potential health benefits, including ginger, garlic, valerian, and milk thistle. Each comes with its own set of traditional uses and modern research. When it comes to safety, there are a few essentials everyone should keep in mind. Because herbal supplements aren't regulated as strictly as pharmaceutical drugs in many countries, quality can vary widely between products. Look for reputable brands that test for contaminants and ensure purity. It's also critical to be aware of potential interactions. For example, St. John's wort, popular for mood support, can interfere with birth control pills and a range of prescription medications. Garlic supplements, while supporting cardiovascular health, might increase your risk of bleeding if combined with certain blood-thinning medications. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, have chronic health conditions, or are taking prescription medications, consult with your doctor or an experienced herbalist before using herbal remedies. So, how can you begin to incorporate herbal wellness into your own life? Start simple. Try swapping out your afternoon coffee for a cup of herbal tea. peppermint for digestion, or chamomile to unwind. Add fresh or dried herbs like basil, oregano, and sage to your meals for a flavor boost and potential health benefits. For those interested in going deeper, home herbalism courses and books can provide valuable guidance on making your own infusions, tinctures, and salves. Always source herbs from trusted suppliers and consider growing your own if you have space. Even a small windowsill garden can yield an impressive variety. As you explore the world of herbal wellness, keep in mind that balance is key. Plants offer wonderful support for health, but they are only one part of a holistic lifestyle. Combine herbal remedies with a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep for the best results. In summary, herbal wellness is an ancient practice that's found a new place in today's world. By understanding the history, science, and safety of herbs, you can make informed choices that support your health naturally. Remember to start slow, do your research, and always prioritize quality and safety. With a thoughtful approach, the power of plants can become a trusted ally on your journey to greater well-being. Whether you're seeking more energy, stress relief, or support for your immune system, there's an herb out there with a history and tradition to guide you. Listen to your body, consult the experts, and enjoy discovering the many ways herbal wellness can enrich your life.